Drowning in files, lost versions, and endless email chains? This type of chaos eats up time and kills productivity. And it's where SharePoint can help. It's part of Microsoft 365. You get one secure, central place to store, organize, and share your business documents. Think of it as your always tidy digital file cabinet, accessible anywhere, anytime. Everyone works from the same version, with real-time collaboration built in. You have full control, so sensitive data stays private. And because it's in the cloud, your team can work on files anywhere without missing a beat. The result? Fewer headaches, more time, a smoother, more productive workday. And if you already have Microsoft 365, you've already got SharePoint. You just need to start using it. We can help you with that. Get in touch.